What is a power of attorney? Please note that the Legal Information Society of Nova Scotia does not provide legal advice, only legal information. Please consult with a lawyer for more information pertaining to any personal situations. A power of attorney is a legal document that lets you give someone you trust power to look after your finances and property for you when you are not able to. This could include the power to manage your land, house, bank accounts, investments, vehicles and anything else you own, paying your bills, filing your tax returns, cashing your checks, and making other legal financial decisions. Giving someone power of attorney doesn't limit you from making your own decisions. You will still have control of your affairs and are free to deal with your property, money and investments as long as you have capacity to make those decisions. A power of attorney is for financial and property matters only. If you are looking for a document that provides direction on healthcare and other personal care decisions, you will want to make a personal directive. For more information on power of attorney, personal directives, and estate planning, go to legalinfo.org.